Hey, what's up? In this video, you're going to learn how to create logos using a logo generator. This method is going to be particularly useful if you're planning to create a professional logo quickly and you're also looking to save money while creating the logo. Because if you are going to outsource this particular project to a design company or a professional designer, it's going to cost you. That is one. Another one is it's also going to take some time because you'll have to go back and forth with the designer. Now, if you're looking to create a logo real quick, then this is a good option that you can explore. Creating a logo using a logo generator. And whatever logos are going to get created is going to be for free. Only thing is when you're going to download this logo, if you like something and if you want to download the PNG file or the vector file of the logo, then you will have to pay a small fees, and that fee is nothing compared to what you will spend creating this by outsourcing it. Okay, this is Santosh here. I am an entrepreneur and I'm also the founder of Design Clan, and I help entrepreneurs like you grow your business on the internet using the power of designs and online marketing. Okay, so if you're somebody who's looking for content like this, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you get updated whenever I upload a new video. All right, so let's do this. I have used multiple logo generators online. This one is what I have found very user friendly, and it also comes up with multiple different options, and you also can customize it a bit. Okay, it's called Luca. You will find the link in the description. The link that is in the description is an affiliate link. So by clicking on that link, and if you end up purchasing the logo, if you like the logo and you end up purchasing the logo, you will help me support this channel. All right, but if you don't want to click on it, just go to luca.com and we will start generating the logo. Let me take you there. Once you click on that link, you'll be looking at this website. It's called luca.com, and this is going to help you create logos quickly. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. This is where you have to put in your company name. Now I am going to put in okay, let's say Feeding Spoon. Okay, this is one of the restaurants I used to own a long time ago. It's shut down right now, so I'm going to try creating a logo for this brand. Okay, and see, these are the reviews that is there for Luca. It has excellent reviews and about 5 stars and 7,000 plus reviews on Trustpilot. So people have used it and they have found it very useful. I personally have used this for multiple projects of mine, and it has come out with great looking logos. Okay, so what we'll do is put in your brand name here and then hit get started. It will take you to the next screen. It's going to ask you to pick an industry. So whatever your industry is, you can go ahead and type in over here. So my industry, Feeding Spoon, is going to be a restaurant. So I'll select restaurant. So whatever yours is, make sure you put it in here and select that, and then you hit continue. And it's going to ask you to pick some logos. Now it's doing this because it wants to know what is the kind of logo type that you're looking for. If you don't know the different logo types that are there, I'm going to add a link in the video which is going to tell you what are the different logo types that are available. I have done a blog on it, so I'll share the link over here, or you might find it somewhere over here. Okay, so check that out as well. So anyways, so these are the different logo types. So what I am looking for is something really simple. Maybe something like this. Okay, I can choose as many as I want. I'm going to choose maybe 2 or 3. I also liked this one, so 2, and maybe another one, something like this, 3. Okay, you can choose as much as you want. If you choose more, you're going to get more logo options and you might get a little confused. So if you have a clarity on what kind of logo type you want, then it's going to be easy. Okay, so I am looking for something like this, which has a symbol and a text, symbol and a text, and symbol and a text, right? So let's see what it comes up with. So I'm going to hit continue. Okay. So pick some colors you like. So if you have a color palette already planned for your brand, then you know what is going to be your primary color. So I'm going to choose red as a primary color for the restaurant. So whatever your primary color is, make sure you choose it. And if you do not know how to choose primary color, I have added a link below in the description as well, which is going to help you with choosing all these different brand elements like your primary colors, your fonts, and things like that. Okay, so select whichever is your primary and hit next. Okay, company name is Feeding Spoon, and tagline. See, I'm not a big fan of tagline because it takes space in the logo graphic, so I don't use taglines in my logos. I will use taglines in marketing or in social media posts or maybe in my letterhead or any of these printable medias, but I'll never use it in never use the tagline as part of my logo. Okay, I don't like doing that. It's a personal choice, but if you want to do it, it's completely up to you. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like this and hit continue. Okay, now you're going to get a couple of options here. One is you can select something from here. It's giving me some curated symbols over here for restaurant. So I can choose if my restaurant is like a food truck, I can select this, or if it is organic, I can select this. If it is shop, I can select this. So these are the different symbols I can choose. If I select something like food, it's going to automatically generate some symbols for me. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick my own symbols. I'm not going to choose this. You can try it out, try and test it, see if it comes up with anything good. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this one. I want to pick my own symbols. Okay. So here, let's say I can search for it. I'm looking for spoons. Okay, I like this one. I'm going to choose this. Maybe another one. Maybe this one. This one. Maybe something like this. Okay, so I have selected about 3 symbols over here, right? So I'm going to hit continue. So it's generating logos right now. It's going to show some logos, and if there is something I like, I can select that and then I can start customizing it further. Okay, so these are the logos that it's come up with, and these are the categories. If you're looking for modern, select modern. It's going to show these things. You can keep scrolling down and it will show you the different logos that it has created depending on what you selected. Okay, you can load more logos. Let me see. Friendly. I like this one. Simple, right? So I'm going to hit customize. Okay, so this is what it's come up with as of now. You can change your logo again. On the left hand side there is an option called as suggested, so it will show you many more options over here. You can choose what you want. I'm going to stick with this. So this also looks good, but I think I'll go with this. This is fine. I like the font and I like the symbol, right? If you scroll down, you will also see how it's going to show in your business card and your Facebook page and rest of other places. It has automatically generated color palette for you. You can always change these colors depending on the color palette that you have planned for your brand. This is the color palette that is created by Luca for you. Okay, so scroll down. This is how it's going to look, black and white. This is how it's going to look on a business card. Okay, All this is auto generated. This is the brochure, t-shirt. This is on your phone. Okay. Now there are a lot of options over here. If you want to customize it further, you can click on layout. Okay, so under layout, these are the different things which are there. You can change the way your logo looks. You see this? This one is also good. Maybe okay, let's say if I click on this, it's going to change. Right? So I'm going to leave it like that, and the color palette. Okay, I'm looking for something like this. Okay, if you want to change the color of the background, you can come over here, left click here, and click on this, and you can make it white or whatever color you're looking for. Okay, I'm going to keep it black because it's easier to work with. I want to keep it black for now. All right, and if the background is going to be white, I'm going to change the text to gray or black or any darker colors. For now, this is how my logo is looking. There are more options here. If I want to make any further changes, you can see different color options here. If you want to choose from, I'm going to keep it like this. I'll not make any changes. And more ideas. Here what's happening is it's changing the font. You see this? It's changing the font type. Okay, so you can test different font types over here. I'm going to keep it like this. Name. If you want to change the name, you can edit it over here. You can increase the size of the font and all that. You can decrease it. Slogan, I have not added a slogan, but you can add if you have any. Okay. Symbol, I like this symbol, but if you plan to change it, you can always go left click on this and change the symbol to something else. It will give you a lot of these options as well. Keep scrolling to see if you find anything that you like, and you can select that. All right. Container, I'm not a big fan of containers because it's going to create some kind of a box around it or some kind of a design element around it. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave it as it is. Okay, and see, sometimes there is a possibility that you might just randomly select, let's say, something like this, and then you may select something else that you liked, like this, and then you might suddenly feel, okay, I like the logo which was there in the beginning, and you would like to go back to that. So there are a couple of ways to do it. One is you can do undo. Okay, this is a long process. You have to just keep clicking on undo till you get to that part. Or the easier way to do it is just go to history, and it's going to show you all the logos. This is what was there earlier, so I'm going to left click on it, and it's going to go back to that logo. Okay, so this is how you create a logo using Luca, logo maker. And once you have decided that this is the final logo, once you have finalized your logo, all you have to do is click on download. Okay, and you can either preview your brand kit like this. This is just to give you an idea how your logo is going to look in different places. So these are the logo files. This is how it's going to show up in your website, t-shirt, business cards. There are different formats of business cards. So these are the different business card formats. So you can choose something you like, and you can customize it the way you want. Okay, these are your different options to purchase. So there are about 1, 2, 3, 4 options here. This is where you'll get all the brand kit. If you liked the brand kit that it has generated, then you can go for this subscription, which is 96 per year. It is actually nothing compared to what you might end up spending if you're outsourcing it. My recommendation would be go for something like this one. This, you don't need it. You have come here to create your logo, so create your logo and just pay $65 and you have your logo. dirt cheap, right? So here you are going to get multiple high resolution file types, which is PNG and vector files. Vector files are very useful because you can use this file to edit the logo using a design tool like Illustrator or Inkscape, even Photoshop. The first option, I don't even know why they have it there. It's totally waste because it's not going to give you a transparent file. So forget about this. So go for this. All right, and it's a one-time purchase and you don't need a subscription. If you want to go for a subscription, go for a Canva subscription because I find Canva to be much more amazing when it comes to creating multiple creative designs. Okay, so if you're an entrepreneur, then that is something I would recommend. You'll also find the link to Canva below in the description. Okay, so that's about it. This is how it's done. Let me know if you were able to generate logos using this method, and if you're happy with something that you have created, make sure you create a link and put it in the comments so that I can also have a look at it. Okay, or you can also share it through my social media channels. So that's about it. That's how you generate logos using a logo maker like Luca. Let me know what you think about this video. If you found value out of this video, let me know that by hitting the like button or using the comments and telling me what you found useful. Okay, and if you're looking for more content like this, then I would highly recommend you to hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification icon so that you get updated whenever I upload a new video. Okay, this is Santosh again, and thank you so much for watching. You have an awesome day.